What's up, y'all? I'm ready to do this stage 1 kit on this Baja frame. Uh, and yeah, I call it stage 1 kit because it's the carburetor rejetted with, certain carbs and bikes that come with engines have carbs that you can't open it to change the jets, or the jets come, like, you can't even unscrew. But, yeah, we gotta do a stage 1 setup on my man that I just met out the city, so we're gonna ride out to him. We'll drive out to him and set him up. I recommended him an exhaust, so we're gonna see how that sound on his bike and all that, and see how much faster he get. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we here. His bike right here. Let's get to work. What's up, bro? How you doing? Shit, you was brother, right? Yeah, I just he got an exhaust for it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, let the Jonah, Seth, bro. Nice to meet you.
How you doing?
Good. Oh yeah, let the Jonah. Oh, alright, that's a bet. That's a bet. Appreciate that, bro. Yeah, I'm ready to just get him right for real. He's trying to clean. Should you be riding too?
I'll be riding, man. I'm trying to cut back right now.
Hell yeah. I feel that.
Out this bitch.
Oh yeah, tweaking. You saw yesterday. Well, you heard and saw that shit.
I was
Crazy.
gonna get one of these, right?
Yeah.
And just trick it to go faster.
Mm-hmm.
And just ride with them for real.
Yeah, that's the right way to go.
The motherfuckers is out here.
Yeah, they definitely is.
Fucking
And I
with
saw
anything.
Yeah, anything and everything now. It's actually crazy. It's getting out of hand, man. It's getting out of hand, but we ain't gonna stop.
Mm-hmm.
Chase them
That's
too.
what the fuck they doing right now.
It's supposed to be a no chase law. What's
I
that?
think that changed. Remember the guy that crashed in the police car and died? That recently just happened.
Oh, I think
I
yeah.
think people trying to sue them for that, sue the police department.
What?
And that's what making them do that now. Like, basically, like, fuck all that shit, y'all. Now nobody riding. You trying to blame that shit on us. Like, nobody riding. Anything on the bike, we take it.
That's what I'm saying.
Once I noticed that, I'm like, yeah, they ain't fucking around now. They done pissed them off.
That shit is in the way for real. But shit, after yesterday ride out, shit. I mean, yeah, shit was getting taken yesterday. Shit was wild. My man Scooter was dragging on their ass.
Mm-hmm. You always on the scooter.
Yeah, raise it up, Scooter. My man.
Hell yeah, 'cause I see he be out there with his little cam and shit and just be watching police off like, yeah, y'all be on some big head shit.
Doing dumb ass all the time. All the time. It don't make no sense. Don't make no sense.
You like get into this, yo? Like, what made you get a passion?
I had it definitely turned into a passion for real, but I bought my first mini bike probably 2-3 years ago. It wasn't a Baja jump, but it was like a Megamoto 80 type. It was like the smaller frames for real, but I was fucking with this dude on Instagram and he was giving me all the sauce on how to modify the Joan and all that. And so his setup right now is basically like from the factory, these Jones hit like 25 to 35 for real.
Oh,
Yeah, it is. That's what I'm saying. Definitely, that's what I'm saying. It definitely is, and that's probably why he hit me. He like, you trying to get this Jones faster, whatever. So what I was explaining to him, I said, and he just wanted kind of like a simple little upgrade for real, but something that could still get him faster and all that, and breathing better and all that. So I'm like, before we open the engine, because we don't even got to open the motor right now to make it go faster, because these motors come stock from factory restricted as fuck. They got the air box, this whole setup. You see how this joint's supposed to be breathing air. We got the high flow air filter right here. This was the old jump.
I had to keep starting that bitch with the engine starter.
Oh, with the spray?
Yeah, so
I
kept spraying that shit, so.
Man, so it got good gas in here?
Yeah, we just recently put gas in there.
Okay.
It's like, why the fuck this shit is still
It's still not starting?
Yeah,
okay,
so
we gonna see what's. Okay, nah, this jump about to be right now. So the thing is, that's what I'm saying. We 25, 35 from the factory, right? So Once we put the and then this carburetor, right? This the same type. When I take this air box off, I'm gonna show you. I mean, shit. Nah, hold on though. So y'all already did a swap on this jump for real.
The old motor
was a 196 or something.
Yeah, like the original, cause he bought that from somebody off a marketplace on Facebook.
This jump.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see
the
it. The
motor he had on there, he bought a 212 Predator engine.
Okay, that's good.
And took it somewhere, and the dude took the engine off and put that one on there.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying, like by him, because the last time we was riding it, it was last 4th of July, last summer.
Okay.
And ever since then, it been sitting out here in the rain. This dumb motherfucker put a blanket sheet on and
thinking it's going.
I'm like, no, that's probably why it's not starting.
Damn. This low key an emergency, because if you say there's gas in there, that shit leaking in the engine, hold up. Oh, alright. Yeah, so
I don't.
Okay, so is it damaged?
This motherfucker.
Look at the pet cop. Look at the bottom of it and see if it's damaged or not. That junk look clogged up, don't it? We might gotta clean it. So that's where the gas come out. Damn, it's broken. Oh, nah, it's not broke. Hold on. Oh, it's broke. Yeah, it's broke. Damn. Yeah, that's a new. Fuck. I would have bought a gas tank. I would have bought a gas tank if I knew that.
Damn.
Yeah, that junk broke. You see, like
it
that
melted.
motherfucker. Yeah, that's why the fuel line fell out. Where the boat went. That's exactly why the fuel line fell out. Big bro. Damn.
Man, whoever he let fits on this motherfucker, he let them basically dictate.
Just put a new gas tank on it and that's it. But once y'all put the new gas tank on there, he gonna have upgraded performance from the stock junk anyway.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's all y'all gotta worry about. I mean,
where to get those at?
Gas tanks. I mean, to be honest, I could sell y'all one of mine.
How much?
I got shit. Just throw me 15, bro. Just be like 20. Them just be like 20, cause the type of jumps I got, and see, I gotta see if they fit too, and the type of taper you got. Yeah, I got gas tanks for that. I got gas tanks for that.
I'm gonna call his ass back right now. Let him know.
Yeah, cause yeah, the petcock. Well, it's not really a petcock, but where that jump fuck. Yeah, the whole gas tank really cooked. Because I usually go straight to putting billet parts, flywheels, and different slide carbs. But lately I started messing with this type of stock carbs, but changing the jets inside of them. So the jets inside the stock carb that these come with, some of them they can't change like the jets inside of them. So, and the jet it meters how much fuel go in the engine whenever you hit the gas. The bigger the jet is, you know, the more fuel it's getting. And like, if you got the right parts in the right car, you know, you'll get more miles per hour from that and all that. And then, shit.
Hey, did you tell him to get that big ass muffler?
Watch,
he got a big ass muffler. I'm like, yo, I know he ain't tell you grab this one. He like, yeah, he said that's the exact one to get.
For real?
Yeah, this big ass muffler.
Let's see what it look like.
I'm like, hell no, nigga. You can't say that. That shit big as shit. This is funny shape.
You said it's funny shape?
Yeah.
He said it's funny shape. Nah, I recommend it. Yeah, nah, you about to see how. Nah, I recommended this because look.
You grab this one.
Yeah.
And it got the ball that go.
Yup, that's what it's. Look, that's going. Look, I know this. I've been fucking with. Look, I've been fucking with these joints for 3 years. I know what sound good, what give good performance, what don't. And that's one that give you good performance and great sound. That bitch had it jump sound like a Harley. Not playing. Not playing.
Damn.
That jump will have this jump sound like a Harley. Like, you hear me?
Like one.
And then he said it right. That's going.
This one got a motherfucker. It ain't got the flat, the light that was on front of it.
Yeah.
don't know. I think.
Yeah, the Baja light.
Yeah.
Damn.
Hopefully this year, this be running a little fast.
A little faster, right? Look, watch this. Y'all about to be, look. You gotta be like, damn, we was fucking with the right one. Yeah, but this joke, tell you, this joke about to be right.
Yeah, cause I be looking on Facebook Market, they be having all types of shit. I was thinking about buying me one, cause I don't see no Baja ones. I just see them little mini ones.
It look like a boat, but it's it's like brass, it's golden. And it's just like the smaller the hole that they drilled in there, the less fuel goes in, and the bigger the hole, more fuel. And oh yeah, the muffler in there too. Okay, boom. But yeah, it's crazy how much of a difference the carburetor makes. Like, I had a 224. So these 212s, right? I had a 224 Hemi. The same joint on like a smaller frame. That joint was hitting like 50, but it was a quick 50. Like, stock down hit 50. They hit like, once again, like 35, 40 stock. But they a little bit faster than the joints that these come with. Mind you, these joints 25, 35, like I said. Yeah. These joints really slow from the factory. Same as the Comans. Even the one you just showed me, yeah, from the factory, them joints slow as shit.
Yeah, that's
25, 35.
Make sure I get an engine to take right off that.
Yeah. You don't even have to take the existing joint off the joint. That's what I'm saying. That's why I be trying to add parts to it. Do exactly what I'm doing to your brother joint right now. Like, watch. Like, when we get the gas tank on there and we cut it on, and y'all see how much faster this joint is, you gonna see the difference. Like, okay, yeah. And then you can do that to a simple big block build. You know, when you ready to get the, but a gov delete lets the motor rev higher. But what I could do for y'all right now is adjust the governor to where it'll rev the highest. Because you see these holes right here? These holes are for the governor adjustment to where, like, if you put the hose closer to the everything, it'll make the governor kick in earlier, which you don't want, because you want full RPM. You want all the RPM through the range. So the jump will be on a more outside. So right now it's in the kind of in the neutral setting. So I'm about to switch it. I'm about to do all the little mods so y'all can get, man, watch this. Y'all about to be like, damn. And see, that's what I'm saying. I love showing people like how you could easily make your bike faster with simple stuff rather than having to do whole builds all the time or stuff like that. But whole builds is nice, you feel me? But it's just more money, you feel me? Like, simple stuff like this don't cost too much to get a couple more miles per hour. And that's what people be looking for anyway when they modifying stuff. Like, they try and get as many miles per hour as they can off the bike, but people just think they gotta go straight to this or that for it. So yeah, once we get the gas tank, we're gonna cut this jump. We're gonna cut it to probably around right here, sit it on there. Then you're gonna see how the petcock fits on there. Better clutch. We already doing exhaust. Slide carb, a way meaner carb. But the carb that I just put on here, I modified that jump to breathe way better than the jump he had on there.
Oh.
Yeah, so y'all about to be fast as shit on this jump either way. Cause these big tire jumps have higher top. Yeah, weight, and then they got higher top speeds than the smaller jumps because it's you moving more weight. And then the way your brother got his shit set up, it's straight chain. He don't got no torque converter on it. So y'all getting the max top speed off the rip.
What's the torque converter?
A torque converter is something that, oh yeah, they come right back down here. Oh yeah, that's a FRP, GMB 100. Yeah, he on a GMB 100. That's a 100cc though. That's not no 212. Not a 212, but yeah, this is a GMB 100. That was my first one. That's the first one I had.
Oh,
that's the first jump. Yeah, that's what I tricked out. The black, I'm gonna make it fast as shit. I had a black one, same like that. I had a black one. Yeah, I said, all right, cool. I'ma just, yeah.
Like that, man.
Hell yeah, I appreciate the work. Appreciate appreciate the love. We locked in. I'ma definitely get your joint right when you get one.
Hell yeah.
I know y'all trying to be turned up for the summer.
Yeah. I'm
I
gonna
know.
make sure I get my shit. Shit, I probably still ride it to the fall.
Hell yeah. Right. Oh, alright. But nah, yeah, the joint look nice.
When I first got it, the gas tank and shit, it wasn't screwed on. I had to screw
Oh, it wasn't even screwed on, right? That's what I'm saying. It didn't even have a back bolt on there. So that's probably how the yeah, the petcock
Metal.
broke right here. Yup, the mount. I might not even release this until
Get this, yo.
I come back and put his gas tank on there. But yeah, y'all stay tuned.